guys, let me introduce Jake Crowley. It's our new head of investment in Cassator Corporation. So I think that nearest time we are going to uh, move forward with the fundraising way much faster. So because Jake is a pro here in this, area, and so Jake, can you please describe what you do and how and that's it.
Absolutely. Very happy to join the team. Happy that the mission is pure and just in within the things that I can bring to the table is within investor relations, investor advisory, and then within trust. So that includes angel investors, that includes ultra high net worth individuals, and then it also includes VCs, private equity, family offices, and then finally sovereign wealth. Biggest thing is gaining their trust in things that I do see, and this could be one of them. So happy to explore what the entire basis of those individuals, all of their particular companies, and how that we can align best with what they not only can provide for capital, but also for strategic placement alongside that capital.
Absolutely, yeah. So as I told before, like for last like maybe four, even more than 4 years, I sold like zero shares from the one side. I'm happy about that because I don't dilute my voting power in the company, but from the other side, I feel that it's just a perfect moment to move forward way much faster than before. So that's why I get in touch with you, and that's why I think nearest time we are going to raise some capital and literally scale up because actually the product is like 98% ready. So we just have to scale up, and it means a lot of marketing efforts to move forward, which we actually never did before. So the previous time, it was a huge path to build the product ready for the market, and especially ready for the market right now, because very interesting time now, and especially the next year, in maybe 2 years. Yeah, so I think that people tokenization is absolutely undervalued because BlackRock tokenize all. Yes, I understand that these are huge money, huge markets, absolutely. But what about the people? I think the people is the main asset actually in the world. Without the people, you have nothing. It's the people who rule the world, I think. So in our platform, people gonna be able to tokenize themselves, for sure, not like all the people, but people who have some talents, skills, network experience, principles and ideas, and actually, power of will to move forward, to do something, something good. So for us, it's a huge milestone that we already had this product ready and live and running in Google Play, App Store, and so on. So I think that the nearest month and a year would be like brilliant for us as a company. So yeah, how do you think you saw our pitch deck, new one? Because the last pitch deck we had probably it was like maybe 3 years old. It was terrible actually. Uh, yeah, but the new one I think is really good. Let me know how do you think it is good or not?
Yeah, it's very good. It's very pointed. And the first thing that you mentioned there is the years have gone by, and it might not have been a time to approach investors. And I think that's very true. But the other thing is just keep in mind that there's so much that has been completed under yourself and your leadership. And that's accumulated to more than 2 million in annual revenue. So that already speaks for itself. And that is really what is interesting here about both perspectives. The pitch deck is more focused, but within an investor profile, when an investor sees this and the platform and what you've already been able to do, it's a very focused investment. Because when you have what is capital, and capital is putting fuel to fire, and it's allowing for that pace to accelerate. However, if it is something that is fuel on the fire and the fire is not contained and it goes off in different directions, then we're really wasting some of that capital. So an investor at this point will come on and that fuel will navigate to the exact places of where we need to go. And along those pillars and along those individuals that are going to come on, it is going to be for a long term. This isn't just an initial investment, and then it's on. That's where we'll only capture. No, it's going to be a long vision, and very excited of where that future is going to go.
Yeah, absolutely. By the way, I think that investors, they have money and not from the thin air. Those are quite a smart guys, and
Yeah.
probably they themselves can be like a part of the digitization process. So yeah, I think that yeah, you probably see what's going on in the world. Not really good stuff, but or well, I had it kind of a lot of talks with the team, with the our like talking holders, shareholders, like just the people around that guys we have to get ready because the financial system which is built like decades ago, like half century ago, it was huge as well, it was monumental, but it's now have a problems, and those problems kind of escalate. So my idea is just to make kind of let's say spare financial system based on human capital, on the real people with real talents, and all this stuff come together on the same platform. Actually, it's not just one product, it's a few products combined in an ecosystem. So yeah, and actually, okay, so we are going to finalize this financial model. It's huge. We never did this before at such a professional way. So for us, it's something new, but it's really cool because to do something you have to dig in and you know raise yourself as a professional as and move forward. It's actually what I'm doing all the time. When I before all this gets started, I just had a business.
Yeah.
It was a business. It was packaging equipment, and where I been able to start from scratch as here
Mm.
and learn and move forward. If I need something, I'm gonna get this. If I need something to get done, okay, well, who else?
Right.
It's me. Yeah. So okay. So look, I'm really happy to see you in our team, and I just feel that it's just a start of something really huge. Yeah. Okay. So thanks a lot for this short introduction. And guys, thanks a lot that you are with us. I mean, shareholders, token holders, and so on, our users, 500,000 people. And I think you can expect from us a lot of stuff coming quite soon. Thank you.
Thank you.